So we'll change this over. New stand. I'll pause this, change it over, probably get stung, and I'll get back to you. Okay, so now it's all set up. My new bee stand that I made at work out of scrap metal. This is obviously in my backyard. I'll go around the other side. You can see front. Oop, right in the bee's path. So I've got a little flow hive entrance reducer for now because there's only a few frames of brood and stuff in there. This is a temporary thing. I'm going to give them a new bottom box and a new bottom screen board. This is my spare equipment, and then when I change it over, obviously I keep that as spare, and then I use it for if I have to get a swarm from somebody or if I need to do an emergency split or something. So yeah, so they're pretty happy there. So it's my little garden shed there, but the sun's probably in the view. Lemon trees. There's a lily pilly, which is a native Australian. It's got little fruit on it that tastes like apple. Little bird bath with a rock in it, so if the bees want to get water they can. Bromeliads down there. I've got, let's see, I've got an orange and a mandarin, which aren't that old. There's a little lime there. There's native Hocking's Eye hive. There's a few plants and little trees and shrubs in my backyard. There's a sweet potato, chili plant, some shallots, passion fruit vine. Over here I've got like a dragon fruit and several other little natives. My Australis log with an induction on, and my Carbonaria log with an induction on. There's also some flowers in the back. It's also got some shallots in there, and there's some parsley in that one there. So we've got a few little things, a couple of orchids in my tree there. Hibiscus thing there. The old kids' play area, which is now turned into a bee haven. So there's the other Hocking's Eye that was swarming the other day, or I actually put some brood in that to capture a swarm, I should say. Another passion fruit, although I've got a feeling this is ornamental. Every time we've opened one, it's had nothing in it, not even seeds, so I'm pretty sure it's ornamental. And these are my other two Hocking's Eye. One's facing this way, the other one's facing the other way, so they didn't interact. So yeah, I won't go through the whole place, but yeah, this is all the backyard anyway. We've got about, I think on the old scales, about between 32 and 34 perch, I think is what it's called. It's not a huge yard, but it's big enough for us. Bees are kind of hidden away, and they're pointed towards the back fence so that they fly up and out, so they don't annoy the neighbours. So yeah, just a little video today, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed all the bits and pieces I put together. So yeah, I tend to make things out of scrap metal when I can, and whatever we have left over at work I pull out of the scrap bin. So my welding's not the best, but it holds together. Sort of black, brown and yellow, like a bee. So yeah, as I said, I'll change all this around later on. There'll be a new bottom box, there'll be a new screen bottom board, and then when they're ready I'll put a hybrid flow hive on it, which gives me the advantage that if I want to move out old brood comb from the bottom, I can swap it into the top, and once the brood hatches you can spin out that honeycomb and collect the wax, cut it out and put it back in the bottom, and the bees can make more. That's what bees do, they make wax, so you're better off letting them do their own thing, and then they make all their cells their own size themselves, and they'll choose what they want to do. So thanks for watching, guys. It's only a short one, as I said.